Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can set the duration of your photos in CapCut PC. Now, unfortunately, you do have to do this before adding the pictures. So if you go to menu here and go to settings, go to the edit section, and here you're going to select the image duration. I currently have it on 0.2 seconds and I want all of my images to be 1 second. You can also change the unit to either seconds or per frame. You can adjust the image by the duration by pressing these arrows as well. But I want them all to be around 1.5 actually seconds. Then once you're done, you're going to press save and you're going to select a bunch of pictures here. And once you place them on the timeline, they're all going to be 1.5 seconds. So as you can see, this one's 1.5, 1.5 as well, 1.5, another 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, until it's 9 seconds. So again, like 3, 6, 9, because we all added them up. And that's how you can set the image duration on CapCut PC. It is super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!